Namaste. I hope that you all are fine, that you have begun this week at a beautiful note. In today's video, I'm going to tell you what the tarot has to guide us for this week. Before I begin the video, let me introduce myself. For all those of you who do not know me, I'm Ruhi Aluwalia, a coach therapist. I help people to overcome challenges in the field of health, career, relationship, and finances in a very holistic way. So let's see what the tarot has to guide us. To begin with, we've got this beautiful card that says that this week is the beginning of new things. This week, if you're hesitating since a long time to execute your ideas, this is the week you are ready. So if you've got new ideas, that you want to execute, do so. Try and see how you can do the same thing in a very creative way, and all this is going to really give you returns in the long term. As far as the professional life is concerned, we've got these two cards that tell me looks like that the professional life is going to go through some up and down, some changes that you have not expected. Probably some people can quit their jobs to go to other jobs, and you may also be moving from one space to another, as in maybe you are shifting or moving your office from one place to another. There are going to be doubts. There's not much clarity that you will have this week for your professional life, but just adapt yourself to the changes that are coming. Have a solution oriented approach. When the changes are there around you, try and think, how can I adapt in the best way to this given circumstance? As far as the finances are concerned, you got these two cards. So great cards for the finances this week. We're going to have all the magnetism, all that is required to enhance prosperity. So I see, a good inflow of material gains. Now, that does not mean that somebody is going to come and put money in your hand. No, it means that you are going to have great opportunities from all around all around you to enhance your material status. You've got to be aligned. You've got to have that action-oriented approach, solution-oriented approach. Align yourself so that you can make use of the best opportunity at the right time to enhance your material success. As far as the relationships are concerned, we've got these two cards. Now, on one hand, I see relationships going upwards. That means if there are some kind of problems that you've had in a relationship, be it with your parents, be it with your kids, be it with your partner, anybody, now this week you'll see that there are some changes, but at the same time the tarot guides us to just let go of the thing. Let go attitude has to be there this week for the relationships, in order for you to conserve your energy and not feel exhausted. As far as the health is concerned, we've got these two cards which tell me that the health is going to evolve in a great way, in a better way. But I do see people overthinking. To avoid overthinking this week, try and be solution oriented. I'm repeating this word, solution oriented, because thinking about your problem is not going to help you, but learning the skills that will help you to tackle that problem, be it on the physical, emotional, spiritual level, will help you navigate through that problem in a great way. As far as the message of the tarot is concerned, we've got this card that says that this is a week of stability. See, I'll tell you, we began with this card that tells us that this is the week of new beginnings. You can start whatever you've been wanting to start in the past for a long time if you've got an idea. As you start the process, slowly and slowly, you will find stability in that particular task. So have confidence in yourself, stay aligned. These are the general potentials. In case if you're interested to have a personal reading with me, you can take an appointment. The link is given in the description box. Saturday, 5th of April, I'm organizing one-day workshop where I'm going to teach you how to develop your mediumship and intuition. If you're interested, please enroll yourself. The link is given in the description box. The seats are limited. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with at least 3 people that you know to inspire, guide others, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to continue to receive further notifications. Until then, I wish you a beautiful week and lots of love.